Tyson Moreita from the outside playing with you, and Redemption from the outside, His Majesty. Elusive Cut is rushing up Moscow Ballet. Two runners fighting around for the lead, flying with you. Alongside is Moreita. Moscow Ballet is racing third by Sam 2 lengths. Redemption is racing fourth by Sam 3 lengths. His Majesty, Elusive Cut, Rolling Thunder, Toy Water, Pride of Rosario. As they race the final corner, flying with you by a length and a half, Moreita. Moscow Ballet on the further outside, Redemption, Danori inside. Last 250, flying with you by a length and a half. Moreita is on the outside, Moscow Ballet, Redemption, Toy Warrior. And finally, number 2, flying with you. Moreita, Moscow Ballet, Toy Warrior, and Redemption for your fantastic